Hi guys, I just thought I'd do a follow-up video on this charity shop find that I picked up the other day. Cost me £1. Crayola Colour Alive Easy Animation Studio. I was quite pleased when I picked it up because I did mention I'd already got one of the mannequins but didn't have the instruction booklet with it. And this box does have the instruction booklet in it. And I was hoping all I'd need to do was download the app and then I'd be able to get on and do some animation. Because I have watched a couple of videos on YouTube and it does look like fun. Unfortunately, the app is no longer available. I've had a look and I am actually at this moment just putting together a little video to talk about it. Basically, they've upgraded. Isn't that always the way? It's now Colour Alive 2 and it's not compatible with Colour Alive Easy Animation Studio. But I thought I was onto a winner because after a bit of searching I found it gave you a link so you could download the original version. But of course, you go to the original, you go to that link and click on it. URL is not found on this server. So I thought, well, I'll try a bit harder because I did notice who wrote the original app, which was a company called Dacry. So I went to their site and had a look to see what they got on their support webpage, and no, unfortunately nothing at all to do with Crayola Easy Animation Studio, so not available. That appears to be one of these problems with old apps. So if anybody's any idea how I can get hold of the original Crayola Colour Alive Easy Animation Studio, then I'll be interested to know, because I do want to have a go with it. I mean, the point is, you can still use these mannequins. I mean, obviously they are posable, so you can do a stop motion video with them, but the whole point of these is the app recognises the patterns on the arms and legs and the rest of it, and superimposes the colours that you've coloured in on the colouring in book. So yeah, disappointing. There's an awful lot of comments on the app page from people very disappointed with the Colour Alive 2 or whatever it's called, because it's not backwards compatible. So yeah, a lot of very unhappy people out there. So if anybody knows how you can get hold of the old app, I'll be very interested to know.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.